Hello everyone. In our previous class, we completed 4 types of problems. Today we will start our next type, that is fifth type. See here, if the word distance, all the vowels are replaced by the next letter and all the consonants are replaced by previous letter, and then all the letters are arranged alphabetically. Which letter will be third from the right? So first we have to write this distance and we have to find out which how many letters are vowels and how many letters are consonant, and we have to write down it one side, and then we have to rearrange it alphabetically. Okay, so see here, distance, the given letter is, word is distance. Vowels and consonants. First we have to bifurcate these letters into vowels and consonants. So which are vowels in our alphabet? A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So here it is I, A and E are our vowels, and what are consonants? Remaining all are consonants. So these are our consonants. All the vowels are replaced by the next letter. So all the vowels are replaced by next letter in English alphabet. So what is the letter after I? It is J, and after A it is B, and after E it is F. And then next letter, and all the consonants are replaced by previous letter. So all the consonants are replaced by previous letter. So see here, D. D's previous letter is C. S previous letter is R. T's previous letter is S. N's previous letter is M. And C previous letter is D. So up to here we completed now. Then coming to next condition, then all the letters are arranged alphabetically. So we have to arrange these two letters in alphabetic order. Therefore, so combine these two and see which letter will come first. B and B, and then C. D is not there, E also not there, and then F. B, B, C, F. B is over, B is over, F over, C over, and then J, and then M, R. Yes, so how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all letters are arranged alphabetically now. Now coming to our main question, which letter will be third from the right? Third from the right means from here, from this side. Our third letter is M. Our answer is M. M is our answer. Like this, we have to follow their instruction and write the answer. In this question, first we have to bifurcate vowels and consonants, and then we have to write vowels next letter in English alphabet and consonants previous letter in English alphabet, and then we have to merge all and write in alphabetic order. We write here, and then our main question is which letter is third from the right hand. This is our right hand and this is our left hand. So third letter is M. Our answer is M. Coming to our next question, if in the word document all the words are first arranged alphabetically followed by all the consonants arranged alphabetically, then which letter will be fifth from the right? This is also moreover similar question, but conditions are different. See here, all the vowels are first arranged alphabetically. So first we have to write here document. In this, first we have to write vowels. So which are the vowels here? Which are the vowels? See here, A, E, I, O, U. So O is our one vowel, U is our one more, and then E is our vowel. And then coming to consonants, which are consonants? All remaining letters, D, C, M, N, and T. So now first we have to arrange vowels in alphabetic order. Therefore our answer is E, O, U, and then followed by consonants. Consonants we have to arrange now, C, D, M, N, T. So this is our required letter series. Then which letter will be fifth from the right? Again, right means from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth letter from the right hand. So this is our answer. C is our answer. So in this question, what we did first? We written the document here, and then in this document, first we have to find vowels, and then we written here, and then consonants we written here, and then we have to arrange vowels first in alphabetic order. So E, O, U, E, O, U we written here, and then consonants we have to write alphabetic order. So first will C come, and then D, M, N, T. So this is our required letter series now in alphabetic order. And what is the question? Then which letter will be fifth from the right? Fifth from the right means this is our right side and this is our left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C is our fifth letter. This is our required letter. So in these kind of problems, you have to follow the instruction what they are given you, and then we have to answer the question. Coming to type 6 question. Arrange the following words in alphabetic or dictionary order. Sometimes it is called as phone directory order also, because in phone directory all the names are arranged alphabetically. See here they are given you 5 words in all questions. So in that we have to arrange all the words in alphabetic order. So let us see in first question which will come first. See here, in all the questions first letter is L only. So we will move to second letter. See here second letter is I, O, A, O and E. Which will come first? A will come first. That is third word will come first. And next which one? A is over now. Now again except this A, see second letter of I, O, E. Which will come first? E will come first. So E will come here. And then again go to accept these 2 words. See second letter here. I, O. Which will come first? I will come first. Yes. So now these 3 are over now. These 3 letters are over. Now in second letter in these 2 words both are same, O and O. Then move to third one, N and A. So A will come first and then N. So this is our required answer. First will come late and then letter, liver, load and long. This is our sequence, alphabetical sequence. Next coming to our second question. So which will come first here? In all the words S is common. So S will be our first one, and then E also same, second letter. E, E, E and E, E. That also same. Next coming to third letter. L, L, L and L. So here it is N. So leave this N, see in these four. From these four words, again we have to go for fourth letter. Fourth letter is here E, D, F and L. D will come first. So our second word is come first and then our first. And then C. These two are over D, E. Next will come F. F means fourth one. And then L. L is fifth one. And then our last is send. So what is our answer now? Seldom, select, selfish, seller and then send. So coming to third question. See here also all the first letter is R. And then coming to second letter E, O, O, A. So here both are A. So in between these two, first and second will be there. And go to third letter N and C. So race will come first and then random will come first. And then second letter E, O, O. E will come first. It means first one. Now third and fourth. These two will be there. R, O is common. Next coming to third letter C and B. Robber will come first. And then rocket. So this is our required series. Next coming to fourth question. All the first letter and first letter are P, S, and second letter in all these first four is P, and then here L is there. So our first word is L, sleep. Sleep is our first word. So which is our next one? SP is common on all, and go to third letter O, A. So in between these two, our second word will come. Third letter is same, and go to fourth letter. Here is C, here is R. C will come first. So fourth and then 3. So which are remaining now? These two, sport and spouse. So here SPO same, and RU. Which will come first? R and U. R will come first and then U will come. So our required answer is sleep, space, spark, sport and spouse. So in these type of questions we doesn't bother about the meaning of the word. Just we have to see the and write in alphabetic order. Coming to fifth question. Fifth question is very simple and very easy. All the first letters are different. So M, S, R, O, P. M will come first. And then O will come first. O will come second. And then after O, P will come. And after P, R will come. And at last, yes. So mercury, orange, petrol, rice and then showroom. So this is our fifth question series. So in this type of question, just we have to arrange the given words in alphabetic order. Coming to our seventh type of questions, arrange the following words in meaningful sequence. So in a meaningful sequence means it should be from greater to lower or smaller to bigger. Like this we have to arrange. Here they are given you 5 words in each question and we have to arrange in descending or ascending order. So let us see our first question. You will understand how to solve. So see here, elephant, cat, mosquito, tiger and whale. So we will go to first from small to big. Okay. So mosquito, cat, whale, tiger, and elephant. In all these, which living thing is the smaller one? That is mosquito. So our first is mosquito. Mosquito will come first, and then remaining all these four, which is smaller? Cat. Cat is smaller. And after cat, which will come? Tiger. Tiger will come at the third place, and then elephant, and then whale. Whale lives in sea. Okay. So this is our sequence. First is mosquito, very smaller compared to all these, and then cat, and then tiger, and then elephant, and then whale. So here I am arranging all these according to their sizes. So depend upon option. If they given you smaller to bigger, so this is our answer. If they given you bigger to smaller in options, given option, it will be in reverse. 5, 1, 4, 2 and 3. Between these two, our answer will be there, but it depends upon the options what they are given you. Coming to next question: family, locality, member, country, and community. So, how we will arrange? What is our sequence now? So, in this question, our first sequence is member. Member will become family, and then family will become community, and community will be there in locality, and where is locality is there? It is in country. So see here, I will tell you in Kannada. Member ಕೂಡಿಸಿದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತದ? ಒಂದು ಲೊಕ್ಯಾಲಿಟಿ, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಒಳಗಿರ್ತದ. ಆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತದ? ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಒಳಗಿರ್ತದ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಒಂದು ಸಿಟಿ ಒಳಗಿರ್ತದ, ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗಿರ್ತದ, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತದ ಒಂದು ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಒಳಗಿರ್ತದ, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಒಳಗಿರ್ತದ, ಆ ತರ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಮ್ದು ಸೇಮ್, ಇದು ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಒಂದು ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಕೂಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಕೂಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತದ? ಒಂದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಒಳಗಿರ್ತದ, ಲೊಕ್ಯಾಲಿಟಿ. ಆ ಲೊಕ್ಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತದ? ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಒಳಗಿರ್ತದ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇಮ್. ಮಾಸ್ಕಿಟೋ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಣ್ಣದು, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟೈಗರ್, ಟೈಗರ್ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ವೇಲ್. Coming to third question: study, job, examination, earn, and apply. So, which is our first word will come here? It is study. After study, you will go for exam. After exam, what you will do? Apply for the job. After examination, apply for the job. And after applying you will get job, and after getting job you will earn money. This is one sequence. So this is related to job sequence. So one more sequence you can get here. See here, 5 will come first, and then 1, and then third, and then second one, and then fourth one. So this is also right, and this is also right. So this is based on our what we say. This is based on our job sequence, starting from our studying related to job. It is totally related to job, but this is related to your applying to school, and then study, and then examination, and then job, and then earn. So in ಎರಡು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದ್ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅವ ಎರಡರಾಗ ಒಂದ್ ಇರ್ತದ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆಗಿದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು, ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಜಾಬಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಜಾಬಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕೆಲ್ಲರೂ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಜಾಬಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಅರ್ನ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ರೊಕ್ಕ ಗಳಿಸ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಬರೀ ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದಪ್ಪ ಜಾಬ್ ಸಿಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ತಗೋತಾರೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಜಾಬಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಜಾಬಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್. ಇವು ಎರಡರ ಒಂದು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಪಾವರ್ಟಿ, ಡೆತ್, ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್, ಅನ್ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್. ಸೊ ಪಾವರ್ಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರ ಬಡತನ, ಡೆತ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಸಾಯೋದು, ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆ, ಅನ್ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗಲಾರದವರು, ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇರೋರು, ಜಾಬಿಗೆ ಹೋಗದೆ ಇರೋರು, ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ತಿನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೇನು ಸಿಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್. ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಬಹಳ ಆಗಿದ್ದಕ್ಕ ಬಹಳ ಮಂದಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗೋಲ್ತಾಗ್ಯದ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿರುದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳು ಬಹಳ ಮಂದಿ ಆಗ್ಯಾರ. ಸೊ ಅನ್ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಕೆಲಸನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಕೂಡೆ ಸೊ ಬಡತನ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತದ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾವರ್ಟಿ, ಬಡತನ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸೊ ಬಹಳ ಬಡವರು ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ ತಿನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಊಟ ಬರೋಬರಾಗಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಡೆತ್. ತಿನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಊಟ ಏನು ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಯ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್. ಮೊದಲಿಗೇನು ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಬಹಳ ಆಗಿದ್ದಕ್ಕ ಅನ್ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಹಳ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಮಂದಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗೋಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಬಹಳ ಮಂದಿಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಬಡತನ ಬರ್ತದ. ಸೊ ಬಡತನ ಬಂದದ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ತಿನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಊಟ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನು. ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತದ, ಬಟ್ ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಊಟ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಊಟ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆತ್, ಸಾವಾಗ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. So see here, paragraph, sentence, word, letter, phrase. So this question is totally depend on your English knowledge. Okay, English knowledge. It means English grammar knowledge. So see here, first letters. Letter means A, B, C, D up to Z. Letters. Letter ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ word ಆಗ್ತದ. So next will come word. ವರ್ಡ್ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರೇಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಫ್ರೇಸ್ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟರ್ ಕಂಬೈನಿಂಗ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅ ವರ್ಡ್ we will form phrases. So more than one phrase will become a sentence, more than one sentence will become a paragraph. Next coming to sixth question. Police, punishment, crime, judge and judgment. So this is totally depends on your knowledge about the crimes and police department. Okay, so see here, first always will come crime. So ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೋತಾರ. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಯ್ತಾರ? ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತಾರ. ಕೋರ್ಟ್ನಾಗ ಇರ್ತಾರ, ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಯ್ತಾರ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದವರಿಗೆ. ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. ಫೈನ್. ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಯಾರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೋತಾರ. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಯ್ತಾರ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ನಾಗ. ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ alphabet test chapter. So totally we are having 7 types in this. This is very big chapter, and by doing all the 7 topics, 7 types of this chapter, you will be easily solve the remaining 4 or 5 chapters by depending on only this chapter. Okay, thank you.